If you're watching this video, you just got an alert for this strategy. So here's a quick breakdown of the strategy to help you make a decision on whether you want to get in or not. First of all, verify that this is the right alert and the right chart that you're in. This alert should be for the BTC USD chart, so that's Bitcoin trading against the US dollar, and we're on the 1 hour chart. If you're in the right place, here's how that strategy performed. So for this strategy, we would have had a net profit of 209.13% with 289 total closed trades. We would have been profitable a total of 43.6% of the time. Now, even though we weren't profitable over 50% of the time, our stop loss is at 3 and our take profit is at 5. That means that even though we're winning less than 50% of the time, we're still making a nice net profit. Now, one thing to be wary of here, our max drawdown is at 46%, so that's something to kind of be aware of. Although ever since that max drawdown, we've been on a run ever since. And also on average, we should be in this trade around 46 bars. Since this is a 1 hour chart, that means that we would be in there for about 46 hours or around 2 days. So that's something for you to think about depending on how long you feel comfortable being inside of a trade. Now, all I can say about this strategy is that this is a breakout strategy. So we're waiting for the price to continue to go up after it's already gone up a little bit. Now, I can't say any more about what this strategy is made of since this video is going to be on YouTube for the public to see. Now, I hope this information is enough for you to make a decision. Remember, before you make a decision, don't rush, don't let your emotions decide for you, and there will always be another signal coming just around the corner.